for sure, man. Yeah, for sure.
Ce mec est complètement bourré dans un avion, il va faire l'erreur de provoquer un boxeur pro. Je vous laisse regarder comment il va finir.
Where you from?
What am I film?
Yeah.
I'm finna film my ass whooping.
Oh, film your ass? Oh, yeah. Funny, yeah.
I'll beat your ass.
Yeah, would ya?
I'll knock you out for sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, for sure, man. We'll get out, we'll get your camera off.
Shut up, nigga. Watch
Yeah, what the fuck?
out before I knock you out.
Yeah, you're drunk, girl. Come on, cocksucker, we'll have a one-on-one, man.
Hey,
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated.
when we get off,
Seek for your cooperation.
hit me. Hit me. Try to hit me. I'm gonna beat your ass. Hit me.
A few minutes later.
Hey, get your bitch ass up. Yeah, get on camera. I told y'all to be putting the ass with the right.
Comme quoi l'alcool n'est jamais bon, et encore moins quand tu te fais monter en l'air dans un avion.
What happened?
You're all right. I'll give you that.
Yeah, I know.